What's good? What's up? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, authentically, okay? So let's just have a little talk, okay? Let's have a little talk. So if you did not know, today will be a hair video and we're going to be doing a little protective style. It's going to be no heat because this is my hair that I have air dried. I washed yesterday, but we're going to get into that. Would you guys be interested in me showing you guys just whatever I do to my hair, recording it? Because after a while you run out of hair videos to make. I don't try a bunch of products. I am running out of everything during this quarantine. I have no products left. Of course, this is when I run out. Do you guys just want to see me do the basic day-to-day stuff? So I would really appreciate if all the new subscribers and everyone could really holler at me in the comments, and I'll holler back and give you guys a little bit of what you want hair-wise, because I know a lot of you guys enjoy my hair videos. Basically, I'm at a point, especially during quarantine, I'm not trying to be super cute right now. I'm just trying to keep my hair healthy, keep it on my head, and just keep it out of the way. I've been working out twice a day, so I'm not about to sit here and flat iron it or try any cute type of style, because I'm gonna sweat it out. And in this video, I'm probably gonna show you guys how I tie my turban, so that should all be super fun. But I just want to have a little chit chat with the hair people here on my channel. But no matter what you're here for, hello, welcome to all my new subscribers. We have some great things going on. I have some great content on this channel. Let's talk about yesterday, okay? So yesterday I washed my hair myself again, and I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. As usual, they are my favorite shampoo and conditioners, and I did that. I let it air dry with my 100% cotton t-shirt. Now let me tell you, that is one way to ensure moisture in your hair. I definitely recommend that. A lot of you guys air dry, but you don't air dry with something on your head, which is totally fine. But if you want to lock in some moisture after using something as moisture riching as the Cream of Nature, definitely use 100% cotton t-shirt. Of course, it doesn't look great right now, but it did look great. But this is how I woke up. And whenever I did my cotton t-shirt, I just did a turban and it was all going up, so now my hair wants to go up. I don't have anything in my mind about how I want this to look, but I'm just going to be doing individual braids. So basically, I'm gonna just comb it out and make sure it's all detangled, but I detangled pretty well yesterday. So the towel literally gave me a blow drying effect. Alright, so right now you're gonna see me section it out, process my game plan, and then we're just gonna attack. So right now we're winging it. We're winging it. But we're winging it. Yeah, we're winging it. So I'm also going to moisturize and seal with this little bit of moisturizer. Okay, all my products empty. Look at the gel. Look at the gel if you think I'm playing. Empty. Alright y'all, so now I'm moving on to the side. The back is finished, so I'm re-moisturizing and sealing. I have a bunch of new growth, so I'm not even trying to manipulate it too much. I'm not trying to wear it out and be cute. I'm just trying to keep my hair moisturized. I might braid this to the scalp actually. Alright, so we're finally rearing the end. This really did not take me long at all, but I kind of want to do the front cute in case I ever want to leave it out. So I'm just going to part it down the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna just finish all these braids and I'm gonna come back because this is gonna take a while. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm back and I'm gonna be honest, it's a brand new day. Finished my hair in the morning and then I just kept my head like this all throughout the day. It is like 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with. But I let it sit so this can like lay down, and look at that. Like, I think it's cute, you guys. Okay, so I just basically just braided my hair up. I did that. I worked out twice and my hair is still looking great. Now of course you can just keep your headscarf on for the whole time if you want to, or you can do this, which is make a cute little turban, which is what I'm gonna do. And this is something you can do if you want to be cute, if you got somebody to FaceTime. That's when you can put on a nice turban. But other than that, just keep your bandana on and you'll be fine. Okay, that's good enough. We're not trying to do too much. And then I'm gonna just take this piece of t-shirt. I made some crop tops to work out in, so now I have a bunch of shirt ends that I'm gonna take from the back and bring it to the front, and we're gonna make a little turban with this first. This helps you to get a big turban even when you don't have a lot of hair. So now I'm gonna take the scarf, and you can do this with a full-size t-shirt too if you want your knot to be a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to put it on. I'm basically using my other knot as a center. And this does not have to be perfect at all because we're really not going nowhere right now. It just has to be good enough. So basically, this is the style. That is how you do it, all cute and everything. This is what we're working with, and it's super cute. Yeah, let me change my clothes, throw on some earrings, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. This was a whole journey of 2 days of me just authentically showing you guys how I've been doing my hair during the quarantine. This is my new little favorite style. I've just been moisturizing it, braiding it up, and doing my little turbans. Of course, this is my little cute version, but you guys can just put on a regular bandana, your regular headscarf, and just thug it in the house because no one's really seeing us like that. But if you want to get cute for a little FaceTime call, or you want to take some pictures during this quarantine to make you feel good, go ahead and do this nice little silk satin scarf type of vibe. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I will be recording some more videos with this turban. Make sure you come back to this one. Make sure you share it. Please holler at me in the comments about what you want to see from me. I'll always holler back. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.